Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can view and enable or disable or change public holidays for your team on Toggl Track. So let us begin. Head over to your account on Toggl Track, select the given team or workspace or organization in the top left corner. And after that, guys, let's assume, for instance, you would like to view the public holidays for your team here and see who of your team members is available. You will need to navigate to profile settings to do that. Click into profile settings here, and next click into account settings. And here to the left you will see this section, availability expanded if needed. Click into public holidays and you will see the public holidays for your region. As you can see, guys, these public holidays may change or be different, for example, depending on your country and language settings. And so what you want to do, guys, is to change these is change your country and language settings. And you can do this here, for example, in your personal details section, and then change the country, the time preferences, and also here on here in your timer, for example, you will see the current calendar, and you can, for example, click into profile settings here and then scroll down and see, for example, also the time format, the first day of the week, and the date format. So you can change this here also, and you will see the time zone for your reported tasks there. And that's basically it, guys. So that's how you view your public holidays for your team in Toggl Track. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.